Okay, example number 3. A cast iron flywheel with a mean diameter of 36 inch changes speed from 400 rpm to 380 rpm while gives up 800 foot-pound of energy. What is the coefficient of fluctuation? The weight and the approximate sectional area of the rim. Okay? So, ito na yung mga given. So, mean diameter 36, N1 400 rpm, N2 380 rpm. Change in kinetic energy is 8,000 foot-pound. So, hinahanap yung coefficient of fluctuation. Ano ba yung tinatawag na coefficient of fluctuation? That is equal to the N1 less N2 divided by the mean RPM. Or pwede rin naman ito doon sa angular velocity 1 less angular velocity 2 divided by the mean angular velocity. Or pwede rin naman yung BS1 less BS2 divided by BM. Okay? So, ang mean RPM that is equal to 400 plus 380 divided by 2 which is equal to 390. So, the coefficient of fluctuation is equal to 400 less 380 divided by 390. So, the coefficient of fluctuation is equal to 0.0513. Okay? So, maganda yung kanyang coefficient of fluctuation, no? Mababa. Ibig sabihin yan, walang gaanong fluctuation. O smooth. Smooth yung, yung speed. Okay? Number 2 is the total weight, no? So, change in kinetic energy, that is equal to 1/2 total weight multiplied by BS1 square less BS2 square. Okay? Ngayon, ito, i-convert lang natin yung RPM. Hanapin lang natin yung BS na dalawa gamit ang RPM tsaka yung mean diameter. Okay? So, BS1 is equal to pi. Tapos yung diameter niya ay 36. Divide natin ng 12 para maging feet, no? Kasi nga yung unit ng energy natin naka foot-pound. And then, RPM is 400. Okay? Then, i-divide din natin ito ng 60 para maging feet per second. Okay? So, this is equal to 62.83 feet per second. Ngayon, yung velocity ng 2 natin, palitan lang natin yung RPM ng 380, no? So, magiging 59.69 feet per second. Okay, so i-equate na natin dito. 8,000 foot-pound is equal to 1/2. Oops! Naalala ko pala, dapat pala ito ay mass, no? Okay, mass. Hindi siya weight. I-resign ko na lang. Mass. M total. Okay, so yan. M total times. Okay, so 1/2 M total multiplied by BS1 is 62.83 square less 59.69 square natin to, then feet square tapos second square kasi in-square na natin yung ayan, in-square natin, no? Okay, and then feet, may matitirang dito yung feet dito foot-pound matatanggal, tapos matatanggal na rin to, no? Ngayon, ang problema ay yung mass natin dito dapat naka-pounds ay slugs, no? Slugs. So ang mangyayari para maging pounds yung kanyang mass, mag-divide tayo dito kay ito ng gravity. Okay, so palitan ko na lang ito ulit ng weight, no? So weight para maging mass. Ayan. So magiging total weight divided by gravity, which is 32.2 feet per second square. Ayan. So mawawala na rin pala to, magka-cancel doon sa natitira dito. Tapos yung second square natin dito mawawala na rin. So ang matitirang weight total is naka-pounds. Ayan. Okay, so approximately this is equal to 1339 pounds yung kanyang weight. And then next is the tawag dito, ano to? Rim. Okay, yung area ng rim, paano ba natin makukuha yan? So yung total weight, okay, this is equal to weight ng rim plus weight ng hub no, plus weight ng arms, hub, tsaka arms. Okay? But in this case, walang binigay kasi kung ilang percent yung hub tsaka yung arm. So, gawin na lang natin, ignore na lang natin to. O, ibig sabihin yan, i-approximate natin na is equal to 0. Okay? So, weight ng rim na lang yung natitira. So, weight ng rim is equal to area BT tapos pi dm times the density, no? Ngayon yung area, ito yung area natin. So the area ng rim is equal to the width times the thickness. Okay? Ang problema na lang natin yung density kasi given na yung given na yung dm. Ang density ng cast iron is nagre-range yan sa 0.25 to 0.28. Pero depende yan sa type ng cast iron. Meron tayong gray iron, ano pa ba yung iba? Okay? So siguro, let's assume na lang na yung density niya is 0.26 pound per cubic inch, no? So hindi naman sinabi kasi kung anong klase ng cast iron. Ayan. So, So ano to kanina? 1339. Okay, pounds. So 1339 pounds is equal to area ng rim multiplied by pi, tapos ang mean diameter natin ay 36 inch. Hindi na natin kailangan i-convert ng ng feet to kasi nga naka-inch cube yung density natin. Okay, times density 0.26 pounds per cubic inch. So mangyayari, mawawala to, ito magiging square na lang. Ito, kakancel. So the area of the rim is equal to 45.54 inch square. So ayan, tapos na. Example number 3. Thank you for listening.